Oh yeah, big shark. Big old sandbar. I'm looking for cobs. Let him dig, let him dig. You alright?
Alright, get on him.
Yeah, he's digging right this moment, Mason. You alright? Okay, I'm gonna turn it this way. Hold on, let me get this turned. You ready to pass the mic or you got it? You let me know. Ready? Yep. Alright. Oh boy.
He doesn't like nothing to do with the boat.
Oh no, he'll catch you. See him down there?
Huh?
You see him down there? Look straight down underneath you. He's right over there. You can't see him?
See him down there?
Yep, that's it.
There's a big ass cove with him.
Oh, he's coming right up. He's coming right up, right here, babe, right here.
I'm coming.
Back of the boat. Oh, it's up here. Right here, right here. Man, get that jig in the water. There he goes, he's after it. Jig it, jig it, jig it, jig it, jig it. Go, go, he's got it. Ah. Get him.
I got him.
All right, he's done. That's what I'm talking about. So, you still recording?
No.
Oh, okay. I was taking out fish. I don't know.
I don't want that shark to eat him now.
See how she's doing that?
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta just stay. It's only 30-pound test, so we're very finicky with that guy. What do you want me to do?
I guess. I don't.
Take it very easy with it.
Yeah. You can't horse him like you're horsing these other fishes.
Right.
Melissa. Yep.
Was I still recording?
I've put it on.
It's on 3 minutes. There you go, reel when you can.
Yep. And this fish, I'm gonna throw him in the bow. You just stand clear.
He was a big one.
Yeah, he's a stud. Melissa, you're gonna have to jump over me.
Whatever.
When I'm ready.
It's gonna take 5 or 10 minutes to get him up here.
Yep, very easy. 30-pound test. This is dinner right here, buddy.
Well, you're gonna like this dinner. You're gonna like the mutton too. Come on, give him a little. Take a little. What'd you do, cut the line on the shark?
Hell yeah.
Well, we got video and everything of him. We've seen him.
We wanted.
I mean, what else are we gonna do? Reach out and pet him?
He's gone. We got this.
High five his fin.
Oop, easy with him. There he is. All right, I'm gonna.
He's gonna
He's
show.
facing this way, so kind of turn that way. I won't have to watch him.
Yeah, bring the tip of the rod toward me, so he'll kind of turn this way,
Don't wanna
hopefully.
hit the boat.
Yeah, you definitely don't want to nick the boat with this guy, because it's a lot lighter line. He's coming up looking for the anchor.
All right. Take it easy with him. Now you're gonna go forward. Melissa's gonna hop on. I know he's doing that, but try turning this way. Slow. Let him do what he wants.
You might want to get out of the way. You might want to go back.
I'm just gonna throw him in the ground, babe.
Give me the bat.
Be careful. You just chill.
Give me that bat.
If you hit me, I'll hit you. All right, I'm coming up here. You're good. Stay like you're doing. Yep. Nice.
Where you want his head?
I'll get him. Don't worry. You just hold on to that rod. Okay? Oh. No, we're taking time. Take your time. It's a good one. Yeah, do that over here, buddy. You got it. Oh. Hold on. Wait, what's up? That hook about to hook me. Hit. Josh, dang it.
Here. I don't want to put a hole in the floor. Yeah, do it one more time so I get on video. Yeah.
Get the other one on video.
Woohoo!